It's with a very heavy heart. I wanted to pass on some very sad news to the drone community. One of our own has passed away, Rick Halbur. I was informed of this when I looked at a post by Jim Boyd. Steve Carpenter passed the news on to everybody. And first of all, our deepest condolences to Rick's family and sympathies to you. I cannot tell you enough what a great friend Rick was, not only to the drone community, but to me personally. When I first started out doing this 3 years ago, every single video I put out for probably at least 2 years had positive comments on it from Rick. And also from Steve Carpenter too, and I want to thank Steve for that. Rick was such a great encouragement, not only to the drone community, but to me personally. And as you know, there's a lot of ebbs and flows in doing something like drone reviews. And he was there with me when it was high. He was there with me when it was low. He was always on my live streams, always commenting, always chatting. But multiply that out to how many other drone reviewers there were out there. He did the same thing for them. He went out of his way. He was a great help. He was such a blessing to all of us who did drone reviews. And it was a real treat when Rick would put out a video of his flights with his drones. And unfortunately, he just passed away this week. And again, we extend our deepest sympathies to his family, to all of his friends, and to all of us in the drone community. It's a shock. It's a loss. It's something that I think what the best way that we can move forward here is to pick up the slack with what Rick was doing, to go out there and comment on other drone reviewers' videos in a positive light, to encourage them when they're going through the ebbs and the flows of doing drone reviews, and to just be a positive voice. And Rick was all of that. Rick was always a positive voice for drones and for the drone community, and he will be greatly missed.